In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select elements and open the Rotate tool in Revit. Rotating elements is a common task when you're organizing a plan or fine-tuning a layout, and it all starts with a clean selection. Begin by highlighting the element or elements you want to rotate. This could be a wall, a door, a piece of furniture, or any other component in your model. Click once to select a single item. You'll see it highlight to confirm it's active. If you need more than one, hold the Control key while clicking to add items to your selection. Made a mistake? Hold Shift and click again to remove an item from the group. When you're selecting multiple objects, a selection window can save time. Click and drag from left to right to select only the items completely inside the box. Drag from right to left to include anything the box touches. If you end up with a busy selection, use the filter button on the status bar to refine it by category, so you're only working with the exact walls, doors, or furniture you intended. It's also helpful to pick the most informative view for your selection: plan, elevation, or 3D, so you can clearly see what you're targeting. If an element won't highlight, it may be hidden in the current view or pinned. In that case, verify visibility or pin status before proceeding. With your elements selected, you're ready to open the Rotate tool. Head to the ribbon at the top of the screen and look under the Modify tab. You'll find the Rotate command there. If the button appears inactive, double check that you still have something selected. The tool becomes available only when items are highlighted. For a quicker workflow, use the keyboard shortcut RO. Tap those keys in sequence and you'll instantly activate the Rotate command without leaving the canvas. Once the Rotate tool is open, you'll notice visual cues that confirm you're in Rotate mode. This lets you focus on the orientation task at hand with confidence, knowing you've set up the stage correctly. Whether you're aligning a door to a new wall angle, fine-tuning furniture orientation in a room, or adjusting a custom component, the key is a precise selection followed by a clean launch of the Rotate tool from the Modify tab or with the shortcut. That's all you need to get ready for rotation in Revit. Select your elements carefully and open the Rotate tool from Modify or with RO. With those two steps in place, you're set to adjust orientation efficiently and accurately.